Using Mint for bill tracking is a simple and effective way to stay on top of your finances. To get started, you will need to create a Mint account and link your financial institutions. This will allow Mint to access your account information and track your bills. First, go to the Mint website and sign up for an account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name and email address. Once you have created your account, you can start linking your financial institutions. This includes your bank accounts, credit cards, and other bills you want to track. Mint will ask you to enter your login credentials for each institution, and then it will connect to your accounts and start tracking your bills. You can also add manual accounts for bills that are not linked to a financial institution, such as rent or utilities. Once your accounts are linked, Mint will start tracking your bills and sending you reminders when payments are due. You can also set up automatic payments and budgeting tools to help you stay on top of your finances. Mint will also provide you with a detailed breakdown of your spending and income, making it easy to see where your money is going. One of the key features of Mint is its ability to track and categorize your expenses. This allows you to see exactly how much you are spending on different categories, such as housing, transportation, and food. You can also set budget goals and track your progress over time. To get the most out of Mint, it is a good idea to regularly review your accounts and update your budget as needed. You should also take advantage of the alerts and reminders that Mint provides, as these can help you avoid late fees and stay on top of your bills. Overall, using Mint for bill tracking is a simple and effective way to take control of your finances. By following these steps and taking advantage of Mint's features, you can stay on top of your bills and achieve your financial goals.